guys, and welcome back. I cannot wait to share everything that I got in recently from Amazon. One of my favorite orders that I've placed in a while, which is saying a lot because I frequently am on Amazon just adding things to cart. So I have a ton of cute things for spring, some beauty finds, jewelry, like a travel find here and there. And you already know everything's going to be linked down below in the description for easy shopping, and then you can always find everything over on my storefront and or my LTK. This little set is one of my favorites. So happy that I picked this up. Perfect with spring break around the corner, summer travel, all of that. If you love Sol de Janeiro, to me this is just a no-brainer. It's carry-on ready travel size minis of number 68. This is one of my favorite scents of theirs. I absolutely love it. It's very girly, perfect for spring and summer. And this set is cute and it's so convenient as well. I took this on a girls trip to Miami and it truly was perfect. I kept throwing the body spray in my little pool bag, and then when we were back in the room I was constantly using the body lotion, which I absolutely have to have traveling and on vacation. I cannot stand being without it, and usually the hotel body lotions, they're just not as good. So I love that this is a mini. It fits so easily into like a carry-on bag, or honestly when you're just packing, I threw this right into my little packing bag that I use, and then I was able to use the case for like my pool days, beach days, to put things in. So that came in handy too. And then obviously used the body wash, which is amazing. So I love the scent, love that it's a little trio. The size is so perfect. Definitely perfect for travel, summer coming up, and would be so cute as like a little gift if you need a gift idea for somebody. And then speaking of travel, I got this jewelry case, which has been a lifesaver. It's come in handy so many times, whether I'm just doing like a little weekend trip or actually flying. It's a jewelry organizer and it keeps everything so neat, so tidy, which I have had so much trouble with in the past, because even other cases that I've had, you know, that have the little hooks, by the time it goes in your bag and you get to where you're going and open it up, everything is a tangled mess. So I really love this. It comes in a bunch of different color options. I just loved the cream. It zips up and I think it feels like really nice quality. So you just unzip it. I need to take the little plastic part off of the hardware, but then you open it up and you have all of these little mini pouches inside, which you can organize all of your jewelry, and I so appreciate that. These are what the pouches look like, and I think you can buy even more pouches if you need them, but what it came with was honestly perfect for me. So I have my necklaces in here, which I keep them clasped and they don't get tangled. This one is empty from my last travel. This one I have some little earrings in. Oh, this one probably had my rings in it, which I'm wearing right now. Some chunkier earrings, another necklace, but you get the point. It makes packing super easy. It makes keeping things organized and neat super easy. Visually, it makes finding everything so much easier. Another item so perfect for spring break travel, summer travel coming up, or would be a really cute gift idea if you need something for your bridesmaids. I feel like a little jewelry box is always an option that I see a lot of people do, and this one I think is aesthetic and also very functional. Okay, we have a guest. I tried to give him all of the quiet toys, but we'll see how quiet they are. I know you're probably not happy about it, are you? Moving on, I got two different kinds of masks that both had really good reviews. I've seen these over and over again pop up on Amazon, and I finally added them both to cart and decided to try them. I have not tried these yet, but I did try these. These are the Grace and Stella moisturizing eye masks, and these have so many good reviews. Packaging is really cute. I love anything that is hydrating. I liked that these were a gel eye mask. That's what I prefer for any like under eye patches. And this was, I feel like, a really good deal for the price. I can't remember exactly how much they are, but 24 come in a pack. And look how cute they are. They're pink. Super easy to open too. I cannot tell you how many times I have gotten like little eye patches like these and they're so hard to open, and I'm like, why? This is ruining my joy. Anytime I can fit something like this in the morning or for a nighttime routine, like I'm all over it. Anything that's like beauty or self-care, I'm obviously a fan of, and these feel really good. So these are a win for me so far. I think they have a couple different kinds, but again, I got the pink ones and they're the moisturizing eye masks. The other mask that I got that I have not tried yet, but I'll probably try this weekend, is the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. I'm sure you guys have seen these. I feel like they are all over social media. I don't know if they've gone viral per se, but people use these all the time. They're like the gel sort of sheet masks, and they come in like a half. So there's like a top section for your face and then a bottom section, but they're a hydrogel mask, which I also like. I would much rather do something like this if I'm doing a full mask than like a sheet mask, because I feel like sheet masks are so messy. And between the ingredients and the way this mask is designed, it's supposed to absorb into the skin really well and help with hydrating, pore perfecting, and improving elasticity. Why is that word so hard? Elasticity. And 4 come in a pack. These might be more recognizable. This is what they look like, this little packet. Okay, so I will move on to some of my fashion finds. I got these 2 bodysuits that I thought would be perfect basics for spring and summer, and I'm really impressed with them. I have tried them on, they fit really well, and I love the square neckline. They also have like medium straps, and I like the thickness of them a lot, especially for something that's cut like this. It still feels dainty and feminine. I don't like anything that's like super, I don't know, just thick and unflattering. But this one's really cute. I like the cut of it a lot. The material, when I first got it out of the package, I didn't know if I would like, but it fits to the body so well. It kind of almost feels like an athletic material. There's a lot of stretch and it is very comfortable, but I just didn't know if it was going to lay properly, but it does, and it's double lined too, which I also really like. Has snaps at the bottom, and it is a thong bodysuit, which is a non-negotiable for me with bodysuits. Like if it's not a thong bottom, I don't want it, but it looks so cute on. This is something that I think is like an elevated basic. You can mix and match and layer with so many different things. It's something that's so cute with jeans, sandals, or like a little heeled. You could do it with sneakers, you could do it with denim shorts, a skirt, you could layer a cardigan or a blazer over this, like all the things. So I got that like cream off-white color, and then I also got this brown, which I just thought would be a stunning neutral to have. So this is one that I love, and I would definitely pick up in even more colors too. And then I grabbed this little mini dress. It really needs to be steamed, but that's okay. I got this in black back in fall, and I wore it throughout fall and winter. And I was going through my closet, saw it, and thought this would be especially perfect in white for spring and summer. So I ordered it in white. It's strapless. It has a little ruching on the top, and then I love the ruffled skirt on it. So cute, so pretty. It is like a crepey sort of material, and then it's smocked in the back, so it does have some stretch. The only thing that I need to like triple check on, but I think I will be fine, is how sheer it is. Definitely neutrals underneath. I know it's bra friendly because I have the black, but if anything, I may just pop a little pair of like biker shorts underneath because mom life. And we should be good to go. But I looked at so many reviews and pictures that other people had shared online in this dress, and none of them look see-through to me. So I don't think I'll have an issue, but I do need a triple check. And this comes in so many other colors as well, but I mean, white and black I feel like you can't go wrong with, and I thought it would pair cute with cardigans, denim jacket, blazer, and then summer when it's really warm, I mean, just wearing it as is, so cute. This is one of the ones I'm most excited about. I'm so happy that I picked this up. I'd been sitting on this for a while. I just let it hang out in my cart and went back and forth on if I wanted to try it out or not. And I figured, why not? It's spring, it looked really cute. I knew that it would either be a hit or a miss, but if it was a hit, it would really be a hit. And I'm happy to report that it is a hit. I love it. It's nicer quality than I was expecting. I love the hardware of the gold buttons, such a cute detail. The knit is nicer than I was thinking, and the size is so much better than I could have anticipated. I love how this lays. I love how this looks. Me holding it up, it looks very wide and very boxy, but once you have it on, it's like perfectly oversized and lays really well. So I love the little pocket detail on the front. The length is perfect. It's just the cutest sweater that you can pair with jeans. Perfect for spring. I love that it's a tank top. I really don't have anything like this in my closet. And this is another that comes in so many different colors. Bless you! Oh my goodness! You okay? I decided to not really venture outside of my comfort zone with this one and just stuck with the cream because I think it'll be just so beautiful with denim. beautiful with different skirts and perfect for spring and summer, and honestly the beginning of fall too. So I got a size extra small, love the fit, wouldn't do anything differently there, but definitely recommend checking that out. And then I got these sunnies, which I'm obsessed with. They're really cute. They have like a blue tint to the lens, which I like. I love the shape of them too. I just prefer this sort of shape when it comes to sunglasses. And I love the tortoiseshell detailing on them. And they're not expensive. I love having non-expensive sunnies just because I don't trust myself, and God forbid if we're at the lake or something, I lose them, drop them, they go in the lake, anything like that. I'm all for a cute, inexpensive pair of sunnies, and these are my latest addition. I love this brand too. They're the Soho's brand. I have so many pairs of sunglasses from them, never disappointed. All of mine have held up really well. They always are great quality, they always fit well, and I just love them. This is my next find, and another one that I'm so happy that I got. I think it is adorable and definitely looks more expensive than it was. I love the chain on it too. I think it's beautiful, but I got a B for Banksy. It's for you. I like the size of it too. It's so cute, so perfect for layering. And another one that I think if you need like a quick and relatively inexpensive gift idea, this would be a great option. I think this is my last jewelry find. I got this multi-pack of earrings, and I have a pair on right now, and they are so cute. I appreciate how light they are. I really don't love heavy earrings at all. My ears look like they are about to split when I wear heavy earrings. So I do really struggle with hoops sometimes, and these are perfect. So I'm excited to have all of these different options. So it came with 6 pairs. There's this medium size braided gold hoop, which I love. I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. These little gold hoops, I love the style of these. I don't have anything like it. These smaller gold hoops, and then a thicker gold hoop. I'm a hoops girly, if you can't tell. So that's what I picked up, but I think they have like different multi-packs that you can choose from. So if you want something that has a little bit different variety, those are an option, but these were relatively inexpensive. They don't hurt my ears. So far, they don't irritate my ear too. That's the other thing. I am so sensitive to different metals when it comes to my piercings. And so these have not irritated me so far, which is A++. I can definitely feel like the spring weather coming on. My nose is so itchy, and I feel like I just have a constant drip over here. So if you see me fidgeting with that, that is why. Okay, this one is not brand new. I've actually had it for a while, but I don't think I've ever officially shared it. And I grab for this all the time, especially in my mom era. It's this braided like hobo bag. It has double handles. I love the size of it. Quality, love. You never know with bags, and this one I feel like is really great. I love this little tassel detail on it. It makes it look just fancier. And then it has a magnetic clasp, which I love. It makes it so easy to open up and close, especially if you're out doing mom things. You just need to drop a handle and pull it open, like convenient. There's a good amount of space in here. We went to a winery the other weekend, and I brought this. I was able to put like an extra change of clothes in here for him. I stuffed some extra diapers. I was able to put like my personal stuff. Pretty sure I stuffed like all of my makeup in this bag. This comes with it too, this large pouch. Has gold hardware, zips up, okay. Has another mini zipper pocket inside, and just a lot of space. So I like this brown. It's just a great neutral, goes with a lot. I feel like it's perfect for all the seasons, but they, as you know with Amazon, I feel like I don't even have to say this with everything that I share. There's always color options. Like 99% of the time. This is no different. There's a bunch of different color options if you want to check out this bag but are not feeling the brown. Okay, I already know this one is going to be a severe hit or miss. I have a feeling it's going to be a miss, but that's okay. I still wanted to share it. I've seen this on so many people, and I always think it looks cute on them, but it arrived and I just held it up, and I just don't think I'm gonna love it. Maybe I just need to put it on and I'll be like, oh, this is cute, but I don't know. In person, I feel like the floral is a lot, and I can just tell from holding it up and the material, it's either gonna fit really well or it's not. It's a mock neck and then obviously long sleeve, and it's sheer, so you would definitely need something, I think, underneath, like a nude or black bodysuit. I mean, I guess you could go with just your bra underneath, but I personally would not. But yeah, I have a feeling it's not gonna be as fitted as I would like, which is going to completely ruin the entire thing. So I will report back, but I did want to share because I've seen this over and over and over again, and maybe I just need to put it on, and it's one of those things where like you just have to try it on. But my initial impression when I opened this up, I was kind of like, I don't know about you. These are another that are not necessarily new. I've had them for a while, but especially with spring and summer around the corner, wanted to reshare them because I love them. I get a lot of wear out of them. They're these brown sandals. They are cute, they're comfy. I love the design, super simple. Another one that comes in like white, black, other neutrals. But this brown, it actually matches the purse really well. They're just easy to slip on. They look great with casual outfits. They look cute with little dresses. Like I think these will be cute with the white mini dress that I shared, but they also look great with oh my God. They also look great with shorts. They look great with jeans, all the things. So if you were just looking for a simple neutral little slip-on sandal, I love these. I don't think they have half sizes. These, I got a size 6. Okay, and then this I have not opened up, but I'm excited to open it and put it together. This is a acrylic stand that's tiered that I will be using for my perfumes and my body sprays because I have so many. They're not organized very well right now. It's hard to see them. So I am gonna put this on top of one of my little beauty drawers in my closet and hopefully organize my perfumes and body sprays on top of this. I've seen a few people who have this and it always looks nice. So the biggest thing will just be if it holds up well. But based on the reviews and everything that I read, it seems like it does. There's like 3 different sizes and I'm pretty sure I went with the middle size. And I literally had gotten out like a measuring stick and measured across my drawers to see how big it would be and how many bottles I could fit across each one. So I will specify below in the description, but I'm pretty sure I got the middle size. And for measuring, that will hold 4 across, which is what I wanted. But all right, you guys, that is everything that I got in my most recent order. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it all. I will share a try on or like roundup of Amazon outfits very soon because I haven't done that in a while. And I have so many things obviously that I just got and then things from last year that are very much still in stock that I'm excited to wear, especially now. I keep forgetting this time last year I had a bump, like I was pregnant. Things were fitting so different, so I'm excited to be able to do spring outfits and such again. I don't want to say bump free because I genuinely love my bump, but you know what I mean. But love you guys so much, and until next time.